Today we're unlocking the ultimate cheat code to balance ad revenue with blazing site speeds. Heavy ads drag down your performance, right? It's incredibly frustrating for your website visitors. But hey, you don't actually have to choose. We prove you can get high ad revenue and incredible speeds. Because look, when frustrated users bounce, it absolutely kills your ad engagement and totally trashes your SEO. So Google actually measures this user experience through 3 critical metrics. We call these the core web vitals. First up is LCP. This basically measures your initial loading speed for the largest element. The golden rule here, to pass this check, you literally have to hit 2.5 seconds or less. Next is ANP. This tracks your site's responsiveness, the exact split second a user actually clicks or taps. To keep those users happy, your target ANP needs to be a lightning-fast 200 milliseconds or less. Finally, CLS tracks unexpected layout shifts. You know that super annoying moment in ad loads and pushes content away? Keeping your CLS below 0.1 is critical. Instead of letting late-loading ads shove your content around, the secret is actively reserving that space beforehand. Just set the dimensions. The browser reserves the space early, preventing any jumping content when the ad finally loads. Now for some quick technical wins. Compress those images. Definitely use lazy loading and minimize your JavaScript. You should also improve your back-end server response. Grab a super fast CDN and really optimize your web fonts. So why does all this matter? Because Google heavily rewards responsive, stable sites with much better search engine rankings. From industry experts who honestly understands the everyday struggles of publishers, optimizing core web vitals really puts you first. It boosts both the quality and revenue of your ad inventory. So I'll leave you with this. Are you ready to finally boost your revenue?